Hey, hi, how are you guys today? So this is my inspiration which I wanted to create, and I had this old top lying around which I won't miss if I tear it apart. Then I folded this top inside out, and I'm measuring, keeping all my brushes over there to check if I can fit it all in. And this is the way I wanted to loosely structure like a blanket and then roll it around properly so I can carry it anywhere I want. So this is the most important step, you guys. You have to take help of your dad to help you tear it apart. And from the side seams, they cut it in a way that the seam is still there when I fold it so it won't fray on the corners. So here I'm gonna fold it on the bottom with the one fold, and then we can sew it. So in the next clip, we are gonna see me struggle with sewing so much, so much. We're just gonna pretend we did not see anything at all. So after that sad clip, I finally did this much work. Oh my God, there's so much. And the whole seam took me, I think, half an hour or so. So if I can do it, you can easily do it. What we're gonna do next is sew all the corners of the shape you decide to do your brush holder in, and then make sure it doesn't fray on the corners. So after I was done with the right seam and the bottom blanket seam, I was gonna cut this excess part off. So I was like thinking what to do with it. I was playing around, and I actually liked how the way the triangle looked on it. So I decided to sew it and see how it looks. And after I sewed it in place, I liked how in the corner there was one tiny hidden pocket like this to keep your other stuff in. And then what I did is I took a brush and put it in the pocket, and I had a seam along with the length of the brush. So when I'm doing it, I have a guidance so as to not go crosswise. I still went a little cross in between, but that's okay, right? For the final touches, for this string right here, I had an elastic handband left from my top, and I decided to attach it right here at the corner, folded it in the middle. I also added a button right there, so when it closes, it looks like this. So now I'll move to the final touches. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.